Tip number 1, hard work pays off. One of the most important things I learned of becoming a YouTuber is that consistency. Hard work is very important. When you are starting out, you don't get that many views. But the more videos you publish, the better your content gets. And for every video that you upload, if you do it correctly, it will start building up momentum. Each video that you upload, it will teach you something. Whether it's how to make better thumbnails, how to write better titles, how to edit your videos better, how to talk better, and so on. Over time, with more practice, your content will get better. And the better your content gets, the more views you will start getting on your videos. So as I said before, the YouTube journey is a long journey. For my channel, it took me 2 years to get monetized, but if I wasn't consistent, if I just quit somewhere, then I would never achieve it. Tip number 2, nobody cares about your channel. I know, this might sound harsh, but when you are just starting on YouTube, no one knows you yet. That's why nobody really cares what you do or what type of content you post. You can ask your friends and family to subscribe to your channel, but a while later you will understand that they are not really following you, they are not really watching all of your videos, unless they are really interested in the topics that you are talking about. And that's fine, I can understand that. Everyone is busy with their own lives, so they don't really care about what other people are doing on posting on YouTube. But that's not your problem. If you want to start a YouTube channel, just go for it. It is your life at the end of the day and you can make your own decisions. If starting a YouTube channel is really something that you want to do, then you should definitely do that. Even if no one cares if you have a channel or not. At least at the beginning. What if you become very successful? At the end of the day, it is your channel, right? So if that's your dream, if you really want to start a YouTube channel, then go for it. Definitely start a channel and see how it goes. My third tip is providing value. I can't stress this enough. Provide value, provide value, provide value. Providing value is really the game changer on YouTube. Whether you are solving a problem, you're answering a question, or maybe you make entertainment videos. One of the key points of becoming successful on YouTube is making videos that truly help people in some way. When you focus on providing value, when people watch your video and they get something, they get a value from your videos, then you build trust with those people. You start building a good way of communication. And when your audience, they really start to get a lot of value from your videos, then they will definitely come back later to watch your other videos. They will subscribe to your channel. They can even support your channel financially. If you provide value consistently, it will be easier for you to start growing. So these are some tips I can give you as somebody who is doing YouTube for a couple of years for now. One very important step to monetize your channel is to get your first 1000 subscribers. And if you want to learn more about it, then make sure to check out the next video.